Like in many other applications, Oh My Gosh Brush supports undo and redo. And it works similarly to Procreate or many other creative applications for the iPad. So for example, if you draw something, you can use the 2-finger tap to undo, and you can use the 3-finger tap or 3-finger tap to redo. That's it. One thing that actually works a little bit different to other applications is that the undo redo stack is continuous. So if you redo something, it doesn't disappear. So for example, you draw a circle here now, and if you now press redo, you can still redo the actions from before, even though you did something else in between. So it's a non-destructive undo and redo.